In this video, I will share with you my secret affiliate cash vault number 1. I want to show you how I select offers from my secret vault, which makes me money every time. First, if you don't have a high converting offer, you can never make money with affiliate offers. So let's get started and I'll show you how the selection process is done. First, type in www.warriorplus.com in your browser. It's a simple website. If you haven't created your free account yet, please do so because this is where we are going to do our business. Once you're already inside Warrior Plus, you have to click on the Marketplace button. This is where you can see the offers which are launched on a daily basis. Now over here, let's click on Top Sellers. This is the place where Warrior Plus publishes their top sellers and the product they are offering. You can see their top sellers daily, yesterday, last 7 days, and 30 days ago. So you are sure that all the offers here are the highest converting products inside Warrior Plus. These offers are loved by customers. They are very high demand, and that's why these offers are seen on the page, which also means that we can be sure before sending any kind of traffic that these particular offers are going to convert for us. I'll show you an example by clicking on the number 1 product today. Let's take a look at the offer, how the sales page looks like, and all the information about the product you can find. At this point, your task is to do background check on which products you and your possible subscribers are most interested in. In the next video, I'll be showing you one more technique of selecting high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And then I'll teach you a technique on how to get approved by the product creator as the affiliate in Warrior Plus.